Hello developers, how are you all? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today we are going to talk about auto layout. So seniors or the junior, they all are facing this problem. Alright, today we are going to talk about the tips and tricks about auto layouts. Let's get started. So here we will take we are going to make a simple login screen today. Alright, so let's take text field. There should be two text field are there. And a label and a button. So first talk about this label. We need to check what is the X. There's a gap, spaces we have to cover, and a top. So move here, unclick this, take a leading and a trailing and a top. When we take leading and trailing, we do not need to tick on the width. Alright, tick on height at 4 constant, and that's it. Let's talk about this text field. Unclick this. There are two methods. One is this: leading, trailing, top and height at 4 constant, and that's it. Now second method is this: you have to unclick this, take height and width and a top at 3 constant. Now red line is appearing, means there is something problem. So horizontal in container, add 1 constant. This is the second method. Okay, so on this button we are going to apply the second method. Okay, unclick this, height and width and the top, this one, and horizontal in container. Alright, all set. Okay, why we have to go for the second method? Because this is in the center and these are in the centers. Okay, if anything is in the left and right, we need to apply something else. Alright, for example, let's take a label and put it on the left. Alright, so now you would have a question that how we gonna achieve this. So as I told you that firstly concentrate on the X. Alright, unclick this, leading. Now we need to apply bottom because it is closer to the bottom. Okay, leading, bottom, and width and height. No need to take the top because we have to make it in top, left, bottom at 4 constant, and that's it. Let's check it out in iPhone 6. For all the devices it will work. And you can see this, simply amazing.